How to deactivate Facebook account temporarily. To get started, first of all open up the Facebook application on your phone. You will then be taken to the Facebook homepage. Here, you can view posts and stories of your friends or pages that you follow on Facebook. On this page, go to the bottom right corner and tap on Menu. Then, go to Settings and Privacy. Tap on Settings. Once you're here, go to Account Center. Scroll down to the Account Settings section and tap on Personal Details. Then, go to Account Ownership and Control. Now, tap on Deactivation or Deletion. Choose the account you want to delete from here. On this page, select Deactivate Account and then tap on Continue at the bottom. Tap on Continue again. Here, re-enter your password for your security. Then, tap on Continue to proceed with your account deactivation. Following these steps, you can easily deactivate Facebook account temporarily.